Hey everybody, I wanted to share with you how to get your realtor's license. So when I was just starting out, I just knew that I wanted to become a realtor. I didn't know where to go. I didn't know what the procedure was. I didn't know anything. And so I'm going to go ahead and share with you guys the step-by-step of what it takes to get your realtor's license. And then hopefully that will give you guys some clarity. Because this is a national course, I won't be able to tell you how it is per state to state, but there will be ways to look up information online, via Google, and I will show you some other ways of how you can get that information for your particular state. And I just hope that this will help you so that you don't so that you're not lost, and so that maybe getting your realtor's license will be a lot quicker and easier for you than it was for me. And so I just want to be able to make sure that I give you as much information as possible so that you will be able to get it done in a quick and efficient manner and be able to start being successful right away. If you have any questions, let me know in the Facebook group. Here we go. How to get your realtor's license. First, you will need to take the Realtor course. Realtor courses are offered online at a broker's office or at a local real estate school. You can go ahead and Google and find out any real estate schools in your city or area. A lot of times they will be held at universities, and you can go ahead and attend those if you do not have a broker's office that you've chosen to sign up at. Next, you'll have to decide if you want to do online versus in classroom. There's pros and cons to each. Pros is online courses can be less costly, convenient and flexible method to learn, focus on improving skills, improvement in digital skills, and learn updated things. Con is that you may not have face-to-face interaction. You may have to have self-dependent while doing the task, have to learn self-regulation and self-direction. Average time to complete the course is 3 months, and that is where somebody does, it's a 12-week course and somebody does 1 lesson a week. Receive the course completion certificate. In order to get the course completion certificate, you'll need to get fingerprints and fill out your state required paperwork. They will do a background check on you to make sure that you do not have a criminal record and to make sure that you are a safe and reliable, responsible person to represent a buyer and seller on buying a home. Turn in all paperwork and documentation. You will need to email it or mail it to your state's real estate commission board, and then they will go ahead and take time to look at it. You need to wait for the documentation to be processed. This can take up to 2 months depending on the state. So you will be waiting, and in that meantime, you will be able to do the following. Schedule your state and national real estate test. So you took the course, now you need to take the 2 tests. Go ahead and schedule that once all documentation has been processed. While you're waiting for everything to be processed, you can study for the test, and you can also interview brokers, and you can also study your sales scripts. This is what you'll want to do so you can go ahead and get started on finding clients once you have chosen a broker and passed the tests. When you get to the testing place, it's also called a lab. You will be able to, when you get there, they have some regulations that you need to do. You need to turn off your phone, turn your stuff into a locker. You cannot bring anything into the area. You'll be given a pencil and a paper. Someone will be watching you through a window, and once you're done, you can leave. The test is timed. You have to finish it before you leave, or obviously you will not get graded for it. Once you are done with the test, they will give you your results. If you do not pass, it doesn't tell, or if you do pass, it doesn't tell you the percentage. It just says pass or fail. If you fail, it does tell you the percentage. There are 150 questions and you have about 3 hours. You have to get about 105 correct to pass. You need 75% to pass. Tip: answer all the questions that you know first, then go and work on the ones that you don't know as well. I will be including a test prep guide in this course. The testing room, aka lab, is highly monitored and you may not bring anything into the lab. Take and pass the test. Buy a test-ready practice course. This is another course that you can buy, which is solely just for the test. It will be different than the course that you took. That was 12 weeks. This will just be specific questions that can be on the state and national test. Once you pass, you want to celebrate, but this is when you'll be able to sign up at your broker's office and fill out your W-9, etc. And you can start ordering your marketing supplies. Get your signs, your banners, your wraps, your business cards, name tags, everything like that, and ask your broker where to order them. Thank you for watching. Follow me on social media, and I'll see you on the next video.